Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Only Human by the Jonas Brothers. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, G major, and D minor. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And the last chord for the song is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, and D minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be tap, down, up, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern now on the A minor chord. Tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap, down, up, tap, down. And now let's apply that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Only Human. I don't want this not to end. It's closed in time, so leave with me again. You got all my love to spend. Let's find a place where happiness begins. Dance in my living room, slave to the way you move. Hurts when I'm leaving you. Just dance in the living room, love with an attitude, fun with an 80s groove. We're gonna dance in my living room, slave to the way you move. Hurts when I'm leaving you. Dance in the living room, love with an attitude now. It's only human. You know that it's real. So why would you fight or try to deny the way that you feel? Oh babe, you can't fool me. Your body has other plans. So stop pretending you're shy. Just come on and dance, 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 oh. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Only Human. And that's how you play Only Human by the Jonas Brothers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other tutorials so that you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.